Hi, my name is Miss Lynette. Just wanted to show or talk about Abacus. And so, what is an abacus? An abacus is a math tool that helps children to count in the very beginning, right? But then it moves on to adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division. But the first thing we're going to do is we can talk about how it helps us. So, we're going to count. We know that this is my marker, and this marker tells me where the ones place is, where the units place, and it also introduces place values. So when we count 1. How do I know this is 1? All the bottom beads has a value of 1. So how do I know it's a bottom bead? This is the beam, and when it touches the beam, we count it. The bottom of this beam are the bottom beads. These are the beads that we're going to be start counting. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. How do I know it's 2? Because there's 2 items, right? There's 2 beads. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3. And these are all the 3 beads. All the 3 bottom beads are touching this beam. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If all the beads are touching, this is 4. Now we have 5. Notice we don't have any more beads down here. So what we need to do is we need to use this top bead. This top bead, how do I know it's the top bead? Well, it's above this beam. So this beam gets counted, and all the top beads has a value of 5. So now we know that this is 5. So we have 5 and nothing here, right? None of the beads are touching, so this is 5. 6. 5, 6. So 1 bead on top and 1 bead on the bottom, right? 5, 6. We know that these two values added together make 6. 7. 5, 6, 7. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have all the beads in this one column touching. So now when we go 10, there's no more beads. But just like how we see it in when we write it, we can show it on the abacus. So it's a 0 in the ones column and it's 1 in the tens column. So our answer is 10. 1, 0, 10. And that is how you count on the abacus. When you start understanding how to read the abacus, we can actually go into adding and subtracting on the abacus. So we do 2 plus 2, which is 4. All we got to do is move the beads. 5 plus 3 is 8. And that is counting. If you're looking for more abacus, I do have a abacus workbook for preschools. It explains a detailed explanation on how to read the abacus, and then there's activities to see what the abacus is, to see the abacus and number recognition, as well as a little bit of tracing. We go into there's 12 lessons in this, and each lesson at the end has a little certificate at the back to say, congratulations, you've completed this lesson. There is also a bucket filler. I think I took mine out, but there's a bucket filler where you can actually show as you complete the chapters, the lessons, you can fill your bucket. And there's other activities. So we actually talk about bigger than and less than or smaller. And we count forward, which is easy to do, but we also count backwards too. And there's activity for counting backwards. And then there's activities to adding and subtracting. So this is adding and subtracting on the abacus. There we go. So here's a couple of examples of what it looks like for the book. And that's what I have. So this book is available on Amazon. If you're looking for more, I do have it is available. Comment below